friends, welcome back to another Tooth Fairy Tales, the magic behind dentistry. I am your Light Dental Studios Tooth Fairy, and today we are going to make salt dough ornaments. Okay, so for our salt dough ornaments, we only need 3 ingredients: flour, salt, and water. You need 1 cup of flour, a half a cup of salt, and a half a cup of water, and we're gonna mix it all together. There goes our flour. Before we add in our water, we're gonna mix up our flour and salt. Okay, now that it's all mixed together, we're gonna add in our water. It's just like baking cookies, except for this, we don't wanna eat because it's gonna be really salty. Now we're gonna start mixing it with our hands. Knead your dough really good until it's all the way mixed. If it feels too sticky and wet, add a little bit more flour. If it's a little too dry, add a little bit more water. We're gonna roll out our dough. And then what I like to do is cut it in half. Cut it in half. And now we have enough to make 4 salt dough ornaments. Flatten it out a little bit. Now we're gonna take our rolling pin and we're gonna make it maybe 1/4 of an inch thick. The thinner it is, the faster it bakes and dries in the oven. The thicker it is, you might need to give it a little bit more time. But now we have it all flattened, and I think I'm going to make a tooth ornament this year. We have our very first salt dough ornament, and if you have a straw at home, you can use it to create a little hole for the string so you can hang your salt dough ornament on the Christmas tree. There we go. Now this one is ready to go in the oven at 200 degrees for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Now that we've taken them out of the oven and they're all done and they're nice and cool, we get to decorate and paint our salt dough ornaments. Now that we're all done baking our salt dough ornaments, we get to paint them. Now that we're all done painting and our ornament is dry, we're going to put a little ribbon on it. We're all done with our salt dough Christmas ornaments. Go ahead and hang it up on your Christmas tree. Don't forget to hashtag Light Dental Studios TFT so we can see your awesome craft. Don't forget to keep brushing, flossing, and smiling.